And so now we will have the General Director of the Information and Communication Development Department, MIT 2020 China, Mr. Kuan.
Your Excellency, honorable guests, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. So I would like to show the 5G development and policy in China. As everybody knows, the mobile telecommunication market explosively increased in the world. As the statistic from the GSMA, by the middle of this year, the global subscriber would be the 7.8 billion customer, and the penetration is over 100%. And among that, the 4G penetration would be, among that, the mobile subscribers, 38% is 4G customer. In China, the 4G is developed very well. Thank you. Since the commercialization of the 4G application in China, we have the base station, it exceeds the 3.4 million base station. And also we have the customer of 4G customer is 1.1 billion. And especially in China, three operators, China Telecom, China Mobile, China Unicom, promote the tariff is unlimited package for the customer. So that is make the very, very quick increase for the volume of customer to use. It's in the September, every mobile customer will use the data volume is 5.1 gigabyte. So that is increase a lot of digital economy progress. Came back to the 5G, and the first IC version available in the middle of June. So that is quite important for from the technology point of view. And China, together with the colleague in the world, to promote the standard, and also China would like to cooperate with the vendor in the world to as soon as possible to finalize the equipment. The spectrum is very important in the world for the 5G deployment, and we accelerate I think not China, but also in the world, would accelerate the progress of the spectrum allocation. So this is the picture of the world spectrum arrangement. So I don't want to go to the detail since the time limited. And also the roadmap for the deployment of the rollout of the 5G is quite clear. I think the faster deployment of 5G is from the moment, okay, will be the American and also Korea, Europe, Japan, and China. So that is the very ambitions in the 5G campaign to deploy the 5G technology in the world. In China, we would like to set up the platform to promote the 5G technology worldwide. And in China, we set up the platform in the suburb of Beijing, and almost all the vendors of equipment and vendor involved in this site trial. This trial, I think you can, from the picture, you can see the Huawei, Ericsson, ZTE, and Nokia, and even Samsung and Datang. And also, besides of that, vendor of the equipment, also the instrument and the chipset, especially for the terminal, is also quite important. Those companies also work together with the people of the equipment in this platform. This is the picture of the network of the trial. The different vendors' equipment together with the lab in their work is very quickly promote the technology molecule, and this is let us to know what the real equipment is, what the situation technically to know what happened in the network. From the test, we have the 2 steps for the new technology. For the NSA, we almost finished in the September for the technical test. And for the SA, we are in the testing. So I hope in the end of this year, maybe in the early of next year, we have the solution for the SA. And 5G is quite important and a very hot topic in China, but I think not only in China, or in the world. And especially this is the key figure for the economy in the world. So, with the progress of the 5G, we think the 5G is very important for the people. And not only it's 5G, it's the people not expect 5G. In reality, the people not only expect 5G, expect the application of the 5G. That means 5G give a lot of expectation for the people. The people would like to know what really 5G gave us. It not only give us the word of 5G, it give us the real application. So in China, we try to introduce more applications in 5G. So we started the 5G application contest early of this year. From this contest, we collected more than several hundred cases for the 5G, more than 100 company or the organization and university research institute provide their solution for the contest. We think this contest is quite meaningful for the future of 5G application. And the 5G promotion needs the cooperation globally. So we have I think today's meeting is very important for the promote the 5G. So we hope we think the future development need also the people working globally. And I would like to conclude my presentation. I think 4 area is quite important for us. First is the standard. The standardization almost finished initially, and so we try to concrete the details for this standardization, and also spectrum is very important. We almost finished our first spectrum for the deployment of 5G, and we have the more and more common view globally with the 5G first deployment is in the spectrum of sub-6 G, and 3.5 is more commonly. And in China, we also put 2.5 as our consideration for the 5G. And the trial is quite important. From the experience of 4G, we thought that the trial is quite important. So we use the same method for the 5G for the trial. And also, as I mentioned before, the 5G is not meaning the 5G itself. It's meaning what we give the people, what we give the customer with the 5G. So thank you very much.